Let's talk about Mimosa and Make a Tincture. This beauty is the Persian silk tree, but it's often referred to as mimosa. Though it's not actually in the mimosa genus, this is Albizia julibrissin. Sometimes people hear mimosa tree and wonder if this is the same tree that can have psychoactive effects. This is not the same tree. That tree is actually in the mimosa genus, so I just wanted to clear that up real quick so there's no confusion. Skip over the dead blooms when harvesting and stick to the beautiful, vibrant blooms like this one. The flowers can be worked with as tea or tincture for helping to uplift the mood and ease anxiousness and irritability. There's a reason its nickname is the herb of happiness after all. Just smelling the blooms can brighten the mood. Here, smell. They smell like honeysuckle. I absolutely took a few deep breaths of these and made my husband smell them too. You can also work with the bark. The bark has been worked with as tincture or decoction for emotional grounding as well as insomnia, cough, sprains and discomfort, stimulating circulation, and wound healing. While researching, I came across someone saying that he experienced a burning sensation in his mouth and throat with the different preparations. So that's just something to be aware of. I haven't seen that before, but anything can happen. As with anything, do your own research and talk with your doc. Now get out there and find you some herb of happiness. Happy herbing!